Two-Page Spread Class 2.0 is a self-paced class where we are going to be focusing on double-page layouts. During this class, we will start at the beginning with choosing our papers and embellishments, then we will put together some page kits, and then we will create the pages together. Upon purchasing this class, you will receive an immediate download with links and a password for videos, which will include hours of videos. You will also receive a PDF file with 10 sketches, which we will be using during this class. As a bonus, you will receive 3 bonus videos plus a scheduled live video where we will be putting a page together with our scraps, date to be determined. There will be a Facebook group where you can ask questions, upload your work, give and receive feedback. This class is $30, but until July 16, 2018, you can purchase for $25. And you will receive your 3 bonus videos, which will be sent out by July 14th, 2018. For more information on this class and all other classes I offer, visit NicoleJones911.com. See you in class!